Most powerful and dangerous machinery attachments that you need to see. Welcome to a thrilling exploration of the most powerful and dangerous machinery attachments that are pushing the boundaries of what industrial equipment can achieve. These attachments are designed for extreme tasks, transforming everyday machinery into formidable tools capable of tackling some of the toughest challenges. Whether you're into heavy construction, forestry, or rail maintenance, these attachments are engineered to perform with unparalleled power and precision. Diery Fox O. Diery Fox O has made a name for itself with its revolutionary forestry attachments, designed to enhance productivity and safety in timber management. The company's flagship product, the Diery Fox Stump Crusher, is a game-changer in the world of stump removal and land clearing. This robust attachment is engineered to crush tree stumps and roots efficiently, turning them into manageable mulch that can be easily disposed of or repurposed. The Diery Fox Stump Crusher features a powerful hydraulic system and heavy-duty cutting blades that make quick work of even the most stubborn stumps. Its unique design allows it to operate with precision, minimizing damage to surrounding soil and vegetation. The attachment's high efficiency reduces the need for multiple passes and extensive manual labor, making it an invaluable tool for forestry operations and land clearing projects. With its ability to handle large volumes of material and perform in various conditions, the Diery Fox Stump Crusher is a standout example of cutting-edge technology in forestry equipment. Piling Contractors. Piling Contractors offers some of the most powerful and specialized machinery attachments used in foundation construction and deep excavation. Their range of products includes heavy-duty piling rigs and vibratory hammers that are essential for driving piles into the ground. These attachments are designed to handle the toughest soil conditions and ensure the stability of structures. One of the key features of Piling Contractors equipment is its ability to exert immense force, which is crucial for driving piles to the required depth and achieving the necessary load-bearing capacity. The vibratory hammers, for instance, use high-frequency vibrations to reduce soil resistance, allowing piles to be driven more efficiently and accurately. This technology is vital for large-scale construction projects, including high-rise buildings, bridges, and industrial facilities, where a stable foundation is paramount. The power and precision of Piling Contractors machinery ensure the foundation work is completed safely and effectively, even under the most challenging conditions. TU Log Stacker. TU Log Stacker is renowned for its heavy-duty log handling equipment, designed to manage and stack large volumes of timber efficiently. The TU Log Stacker attachment is a powerful tool that transforms a standard loader or excavator into a high-capacity log handler. This attachment is engineered to handle logs of various sizes and weights, making it an essential tool for sawmills, lumberyards, and forestry operations. The TU Log Stacker features robust hydraulic systems and heavy-duty claws that can grip and maneuver logs with exceptional strength. Its advanced design allows for precise control and positioning of logs, ensuring that they are stacked securely and efficiently. The attachment's ability to handle large logs and high volumes of material significantly reduces the time and effort required for log handling, enhancing productivity in timber management. With its combination of power and precision, the TU Log Stacker is a valuable asset for any operation dealing with substantial quantities of timber. Fantini Broadcast. Fantini Broadcast is a leading name in the world of agricultural and land management equipment, offering powerful attachments designed for efficient soil cultivation and planting. The range of products includes advanced broadcast spreaders and seeders that are capable of covering large areas quickly and evenly. These attachments are designed to improve soil health and optimize crop production. One of the standout features of Fantini Broadcast attachments is their precision and versatility. The broadcast spreaders are equipped with adjustable settings that allow operators to control the distribution rate of seeds or fertilizers, ensuring that every square inch of soil is covered according to specific needs. The seeder attachments, on the other hand, are designed to plant seeds at optimal depths and spacings, promoting healthy growth and maximizing yield. The high efficiency and accuracy of Fantini Broadcast equipment make it an invaluable tool for large-scale farming and land management operations, contributing to better soil health and improved crop production. Senebogen Maschinen Fabrik GmbH. Senebogen Maschinen Fabrik GmbH is known for producing some of the most powerful and versatile material handling attachments on the market. Their equipment range includes heavy-duty material handlers and specialized attachments designed for various industries, including construction, recycling, and port operations. One of their notable products is the Senebogen 800, 835M material handler, which is equipped with advanced technology and high-performance components. The Senebogen 835M features a high-capacity hydraulic system and a range of interchangeable attachments, including grabs, shears, and magnets. This versatility allows it to handle different types of materials, from scrap metal to construction debris with ease. The machine's powerful engine and durable construction ensure reliable performance even in demanding environments. The Senebogen 835M's ability to adapt to various tasks and materials makes it a valuable tool for improving efficiency and productivity in material handling operations. Deutzmann Industries. Deutzmann Industries is renowned for its high-performance agricultural attachments, including some of the most powerful land clearing and soil preparation tools available. The Deutzmann ProTill, for example, is a heavy-duty tillage implement designed to handle tough soil conditions and prepare fields for planting. Its robust construction and advanced features make it a standout choice for large-scale farming operations. The Deutzmann ProTill is equipped with heavy-duty discs and adjustable settings that allow operators to customize the tilling depth and intensity. This versatility ensures that the implement can handle various soil types and conditions, from rocky terrain to heavy clay. The ProTill's high efficiency and durability reduce the need for multiple passes and extensive manual labor, making it an essential tool for preparing fields quickly and effectively. By improving soil structure and preparing it for planting, the Deutzmann ProTill contributes to better crop yields and more efficient farming practices. Harco Rail. Harco Rail is a leading provider of rail maintenance and construction equipment, offering powerful attachments designed to ensure the safety and efficiency of rail systems. The range of products includes rail grinders, tampers, and ballast regulators that are essential for maintaining and improving rail infrastructure. One of their notable attachments is the Harco Rail multifunctional rail tamper, which is designed to enhance track stability and alignment. The Harco Rail features advanced technology and high-performance components that allow it to perform multiple rail maintenance functions, including track leveling, alignment, and ballast regulation. Its precision and power ensure that rail tracks are maintained to the highest standards, reducing the risk of accidents and improving the overall performance of the rail system. The MRH's ability to handle various tasks efficiently makes it a valuable tool for rail operators and maintenance crews, contributing to safer and more reliable rail transportation. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.